So we have got the Microfarms. So these are worth of my flagship product. I've got an Energize here, which is quite a new one. We always had the immunity, power and vitality, and then I started bringing some more variation of the seeds in. And this is for anyone really wanting to get, include microgreens in their daily diet. They are not just a one growing kit, they're designed for long-term growing. So in these ones we've got 6 of these. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bamboo trays, and these are plastic free and they will compost down, but they will last for years. We've got 12 blocks of the organic vegan peat-free coir in here. We've got all our tutorials online to follow along with these, even though they have got full instructions. So these tins are a lot larger, and they contain about 6,000 seeds each, so it's like 18,000 seeds. So you can grow 12 times generally. I say about 5 grams or more to each tray, and they will regrow, so you'll get another harvest out of those as well. You may even get more than that. I'm pretty generous with those. And here are the plant kit markers. So when you are planting, you can just mark them. The 6 trays in here. So you plant 3, and then you bring them into the light, and then you plant the next 3. So you've always got a rotation of greens on the go, as opposed to having to harvest, wait for them to regrow. It's a continuous cycle. So this is how I design them. And these are the germination covers. So if you follow the guides on our YouTube channel, you'll see when I plant them that you put the germination covers over and you stack them in the dark for a few days so they can germinate. And then when you bring them into the light, you take that off, watering them, and then the next batch you do the same with. They've also got the little wooden measuring spoon there to help with the seeds. Obviously we use tins as opposed to paper packets because they last, and seeds will last. They've been known to germinate after 2,000 years if stored correctly. So hence we use the tins. It just makes them look nicer, feel nicer. So it's just a more experiential sort of, great for gifting. And we've got a planting calendar here as well. And then we've obviously got the full inclusive instructions here. I like to think they're foolproof after the years of work I put into them and creating these kits. And on the back of them we've got all the information about the health benefits and what it actually does for the body there. We've worked with nutritionists and scientists to create those. So really great for anyone that wanting to grow long term, really want to add good healthy food to their diet, has a small space and wants to grow but doesn't have a garden maybe. And gifts, we do a lot into the gifts, and you'll find these kits stocked at some really good organic farm shops, and the smaller ones obviously at Kew Gardens. They're great gifts as well. So that's our Microfarm kit. We've got 6 varieties of it, and then I sometimes bring out limited edition for certain times of the year.